5 Simple Habits for a Healthier Life. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about 5 everyday habits that can make a real difference in how you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. No extreme routines or trendy hacks. Just practical steps that fit into real life. Habit number 1. Add more color to your plate. You don't need to track every bite. Just aim for variety, especially when it comes to fruits and vegetables. Think of your plate like a canvas. The more colors, the better. Reds support heart health. Greens help with strength and energy. Blues and purples are great for focus and memory. And yes, coffee counts as a bean. But maybe don't make it your main vegetable. Habit number 2. Keep moving even a little. You don't need a gym membership. Just stay active in ways that feel good. A short walk, stretching during a show, or dancing while making dinner. It all adds up. Boosts circulation, supports flexibility, lifts your mood. If your joints complain, remind them it's movement, not punishment. Habit number 3. Give your mind something to chew on. Brains love novelty. Try a puzzle, read something new, or learn a skill. Like finally figuring out how to silence notifications. Word games, books and articles, music, hobbies, new ideas. Mental activity helps keep you sharp and curious. Plus, it's fun. Habit number 4. Make rest a priority. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's when your body resets and repairs. A consistent routine and a calm evening can make a big difference. Aim for 7-8 hours. Wind down before bed. Limit screen time late at night. If your mind starts racing at 3 a.m., you're not alone. But good habits can help. Habit number 5. Stay connected. We're wired for connection. Whether it's a quick call, a shared laugh, or a thoughtful message, staying in touch matters. Connection supports emotional health. Conversations keep us engaged. Sharing stories builds community. You never know how much a simple hello can mean to you or someone else. Wrap up. So there you have it, 5 simple habits that can help you feel better. Think clearer, and enjoy life a little more. Start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.